This is an overview of the term project assignment for this class. The final product of this assignment is a presentation to the class which will be explained later. There are several steps in this assignment which must be done in order. If you fail to complete one of the steps, you will not be able to make it up. Like Noah, from the I'm worried about my grade video, you can't complete all of these steps as the class is coming to an end. The steps in this assignment will last the entire semester. This assignment consists of selection of a topic related to content of this class. For example, a presentation on how to make a cake would not be approved for a criminal investigations class. You think I'm kidding, but every now and then you see something like that. Only one student can present on a specific topic. How do I select a topic? Glad you asked. Suggestions are provided in the course module for this assignment. If you would like, you can be assigned a topic. Just let the professor know by posting, "Please assign me a topic" in the discussion board for this assignment. Be sure and check to see if your topic is still available and if it gets approved. The professor will help you focus your topic if needed. Sometimes students get overly ambitious and propose a master's thesis length topic. Example, if the student says, "I want to write about how to solve the homeless problem in California," the professor would recommend you narrow it down to law enforcement resources available to address the homeless population in Los Angeles County. To start this assignment, you post your proposal in the discussion board for this assignment. Reminder to check to make sure it has not already been selected by another student. Post the proposed title with a short description of what you expect to learn from your research. To help you out, an example of what a proposal looks like is posted. Side note, several examples of what your assignments should look like in these classes are provided for you. Your submitted assignment should be formatted similar to the examples. Once your proposal is approved, you should begin your research. There are several Edpuzzle assignments describing how to do research. Hint: Google and ChatGPT are not recommended. The next step is the annotated bibliography assignment. Be sure and look at the examples for what is required for that. You will get feedback on every step of this process, and you are required to respond to that feedback before proceeding to the next step. Once your sources are approved, you will do an outline of the presentation. Again, there are Edpuzzle assignments explaining how to do that. Next step is a first draft of your presentation. See the description in the assignment for what is required. You will then post your presentation for the class to view. You are required to view your classmates' presentations, then respond to at least 4 for full credit. As explained, each of these steps are explained in the steps of the term project assignment.